Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check an hotel location on the map on booking.com. So you don't need to type in any location of the hotel in any map whatsoever. You can quickly pull this up on booking.com to see it for yourself. So I'm going to quickly just open up a hotel, just generally. Let's open up this one for example. And let's say you're on the page of the hotel. You can quickly find this if you click on the map icon here towards the right left hand side or the right hand side. You have two options. It says good location, show map. You can click there. It's going to quickly pull up the map and show you where the hotel is located, right? So you'll be able to see it in the spot here, and you will see that this is where the hotel is located. Now alternatively, you can also click here and it's going to do the same thing and show you where it is, so you know exactly where on the map this actually is. And that's how you can quickly see it. You can zoom down, and the more you zoom, you'll be able to see more details here. And that's it. If at any point in time you want to like change the map, let's say visible or view, or let's say you can quickly change it to make it look like satellite view, for example, so that you can see what the area looks like and you'll get better visibility, let's put it like that, of where the hotel is located and so forth. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.